Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a picnic campground outdoor amphitheater with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with an 8x16 plate. We're going to flip this over along both sides. A set of 2x4 plates. We're going to need to raise the stage up off the ground. Place these right here. And in the front, a pair of 2x6 plates. In the back, right next to the previous 2x4 plates, another set of 2x4 plates. I'm going to place a 2x4 plate right here in the middle. And I want to flip this over. These two areas are in the back. I want to add some deck planks. I'm going to start right here with a 1x2 flat tile. And I'm going to set down a 1x6 flat tile. Now, I'm just going to stagger the joints here, and the reason for this is because I don't have any 1x8 flat tiles in medium nougat. For our backdrop and screen, let's start with a set of 2x2 round bricks. We're going to stack a set on top of one another. Make two of these. I'm going to place these in the back and these 2x2 openings. These are going to be the supports. Then a set of 1x12 bricks. And yes, this is reddish brown. We're going to have to be extra careful. Okay, right in the back center, a 1x8 plate. This is going to be the beginning of our screen. And a 1x8 flat tile. Set that right here. Followed by a set of 2x2 plates. Now we're going to stack 6 1x8 bricks on top of one another. This is going to be the screen. We've got to show those educational clips and maybe some movies, you know, while we're in the forest or in a park. Then we're going to take 6 2x2 round bricks. We're going to place these on top of one another. To continue the side supports of our backdrop and screen, I want to make 2 of these. Place these in the 2x2 openings along both sides of our screen. Then in the back, I'm going to place a set of 1x8 bricks where they're hanging over by 2 studs. These are going to be used to attach speakers. And in the front, a 1x12 brick. Then I'm going to lock all this together with 3 2x4 flat tiles. Smooth off the top. For a set of loudspeakers, start with a pair of 2x2 plates. Let's set these on top of one another. On the back 2 studs, a 1x2 brick, and on the front studs, a 1x2 Technic brick. Then we're going to lock all that together with a pair of 2x2 plates stacked on top of one another. Then we're going to place a 1x2 Technic brick right on the front studs. In this tube right here, a 2x2 parabola dish. Stick the stud right inside the tube. And for a horn tweeter, a 1x2 jumper plate. We'll set that right there. We're going to make a set of these. Now let's slip on our speakers on the underside of our 1x8 bricks. And then to finish off the top, I'm going to grab 4 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. Just place these right on top. Place 2 on the left and 2 on the right hand side. Just be sure to hold underneath here to complete the speaker assembly.